Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to redeem a Roblox gift card on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First you need to have Roblox gift card in hand guys. Scratch the card strip at the back or whatever it is, reveal the gift card code. In case you purchase the Roblox gift card online, you will be probably received the pin code via email. With the pin code, head to the Roblox code redeem page. You just need to open a browser, search for Roblox. You just need to click on the Roblox redeem. This is official code redeem page. Make sure you logged with the correct account where you want to redeem the code to. Now enter the pin code, click on redeem. After a couple of seconds the code will successfully redeem window will pop up notifying you that your Roblox has been redeemed to your account. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.